So students, in this video we will learn about mail merging. Okay, so what is mail merging? Suppose you want to invite your friend on your birthday party and you have typed one invitation letter like this. Now you have to copy the same letter and type all the addresses of your friend. Means many times you have to copy it and then you have to type all the address of your friend. Means all the friends do not have the same address. Your friends are having different addresses and you want to invite them to your birthday party, so you have to send them individual letters. So again and again you have to copy the same matter for the different addresses. So to simplify this, the process of mail merging is there in the MS Word. Okay, mail merge feature is used to send the same letter to a large number of people. Same letter we are sending to the large number of people at the same time. Mail merge means merging two files. Now what are those two files? Those two files are a main document and the data source. In mail merge we merge two files, that is main document and the data source. So what is the main document here? Main document is the document that contains the letter. The letter which you are seeing in the screen is the main document. Okay, it contains the letter or text which is to be sent. It contains the text which is to be sent to the different persons. Data source. Now what is a data source? This is the file where all the addresses of the recipients are stored. Data source is the file where the addresses of all the recipients are stored. So mail merging is merging of these two files, that is main document and the data source. Now we will start the process of mail merging where we have already typed the letter here. So for mail merging we will go to the mailing tab first of all. So here is your mailing tab. We will click the mailing tab. Under the mailing tab you have to click this start mail merge, and under this start mail merge you have to click on letters. After clicking on letters, these options will come like start mail merge select recipients. Under this select recipients we have to select type a new list. Click it, then an address list will open. Here you will type all the addresses of the recipient. It is comprises of title, first name, last name, company name. You can also leave some of the fields. You can leave also, means no need to fill all the fields. So here you will type your address list. So we will start typing our address list. Title means Mr. Mrs. So title you can use as first name, any name you can take like Ravi. Then the last name. You can leave some field which is not required, like company name I don't need here, so I will directly go to the address line one. So in address we can type like house number, address line 2 you can leave it also. City directly you can write Bilaspur. Here you can write anything like so what we are doing, we are actually typing the address list. In this address only this letter we will send. Now state is CG. So like that you can leave the field, some field also like home, phone, work phone, we don't need that email address. So now we'll come to the next field, means next address list we can type. So we can type as many as address list we want. The letter will go to all these addresses. Mr. Sunny processing. So this is how we type the address list. We can type as many address list we want. So just you have to means you have to click this new entry to enter a new entry. You can also delete your entry. Suppose you do not want this address, then you can delete. You have to select it first, then you click delete entry, then it will be deleted. So for this video I am typing only two addresses here for the explanation purpose. So now I am clicking OK button. Okay, now this save address list dialog box will appear. Now we have to save this address list, whatever we have typed. We will save this address list. So I am typing here address 01. Now to save it, just click the save button. Now our address list is saved. Now in the address list, in the various field we have entered the data. So we will now place the cursor on the document where we want to appear that field. Suppose we want to display the title field here. So I will place the cursor here. Then I will go to that is I will go to insert merge field. Now if I click title, so here you can see where the cursor was there only that title field will come. Now after title I want first name, so I will again go to the insert merge field, then I will click on this first name field. So now here first name will appear. Now after first name I want the last name. So now I will go to the insert merge field, then I will click on this last name. First of all you have to place the cursor here after first name, then you will go to the insert merge field, then I will click on this last name. So now after below, now here in below I will want some different field, like here I want address line 1, then below address line 1 I want the name of the city, and below city, so wherever you want the field you have to place the cursor there. Then below city I want state, so I will click on state. Now after this, you know, suppose here also you want the first name to be appear here, so again you have to place the cursor here, then go to the insert and click on first name. So here the first name of the person will appear. Now after inserting the required fields, now we will go to the finish and merge. You have to click this finish and merge, and under that finish and merge option we have to select this edit individual documents. Click on it, then this dialog box will appear. There you have to select all, merge records all, and then click on OK button. After clicking on OK button, now you can see that your letter is ready. So this is your first letter for the first recipient, and this is your second letter for the second recipient. So this is how you do the mail merging. That's all for this video. Thank you.